Hey, hey. She's like, hey, yeah. She's like, that's not mommy's booby. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Well, tell me. Well, tell me. Damn, why is this thing all blurry? It's all blurry. Oh, much better. Hey. Hey. Brooklyn. Hey. Hey. Eeyore. Eeyore. Well, you just tell me about it. She says, that's not mommy's booby. She's tired and hungry. What? What? Say, see, I'm not even crying. I'm just talking.
No, she don't cry. She'll yell at me for a minute like that. She'll just sit there and yell at me for a minute.
She'll be like, lady, can I get the boob? Can I get the boob? Yeah.
There she goes. She's trying to get that done.
Yeah.
She is so pretty.